Hello, lovies. We've done all our wall cards, and so now I want to do a couple of different kinds of things. Today, this says, "What do you hear?" So you know it's going to be a listening lesson. You are not going to see any written words. I just want you to use your ears. I'm going to give you a picture in that little red square. And then at the bottom, under the picture, I'm going to give you 5 choices. There will be clawing hawk if you hear the aw sound, or Roy the coil if you hear the oi sound, or brown cow if you hear the ow sound in the word, or gooey goo oo if you hear that oo sound in the word, or hook in the foot if you hear the sound. Now, under the pictures, I've written their spellings, but I really don't care about the spellings right now. I care about that you can hear a word and hear the sound that's in it. And these are the last sounds we've done, so I just want to go over them again. Now, I made for you a paper, and it has those pictures exactly like they are under each slide that we'll be doing. So on slide number 1, if you hear hook in the foot, then I want you to just draw a circle around that picture. And the second one, if you hear gooey goo, draw a circle around it. You might hear hook in the foot again. There are going to be a lot of slides. Do not look for a pattern. Don't think I'm going to go the 5th, 4th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 4th. Sometimes students think I do things by using a pattern. Do not. They're going to be all mixed up. So then there might be a clawing hawk picture. And then maybe for the next picture, it'll be brown cow. And then maybe you're going to circle Roy the coil. Now, after I show you the right answer, you might see that it isn't Roy the coil. You made a mistake. This is what I want you to do. Just draw a line through it and then circle the right answer. I want to remind you about mistakes. Sometimes students think that if they make a mistake, it's terrible. It is not terrible. Really, if you make a mistake, it's a good thing because now your brain is going to think about it and it'll be easier to learn. So, if you make a mistake, it's no big deal. Just put an X on top of it and circle the right one. Now, there are going to be a lot, so I have made a lot of these pages for you, and after 6, then you'll need to flip your page over or find the next page. All right, let's begin. See how we do. Gave you an easy one. It's a claw. Claw. So circle what you think you hear. Claw. Sure. You hear clawing hawk. So did you circle? Draw a circle around the clawing hawk? Good. That's how we'll be doing it. I wrote the spellings underneath, but you don't have to do anything about that. I just want your brain to always see those spellings. So I kind of tricked your brain since it's going to be taking pictures anyway. All right? Second one. Pool. Ool. Ool. Ooh, ooh. Good for you. All right, book. B-o-ook. Circle what you think. And hook in the foot. All right, number 4. Crowd. Crowd. Out. Ow, ow, ow. Good. Number 5, slaw. Aw, aw. Slaw. Yep. Circle. If you have to fix it, just fix it. Number 6, that's a coil. That kind of is an easy one, isn't it? Coil. Oi, oi, coil. They won't always be this easy. All right. Now, see that red little splop in the corner? That means turn your paper over because I put 6 on one side. So flip over and then boot, b-oo-oot, ooh. How about foil, oil, oi. Good. How about stool, stool, circle? Good. Ooh. How about vault, vault, alt. How about owl, owl? That's an easy one. Ow, 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 ow. How about sausage? S-aw. Sausage. Okay. How about coins? Coins. Circle what you think. Oins. Oi. How about down? Down. Ow. Own. The reason we do this is if you wanted to write the word down, you would hear 3 sounds, d, ow, n. So you'd put d, d, ow, and then you're going to use one of those spellings for ow, and then n, the n. That's why we listen for the sounds, because if you hear the sounds, when you go to write a word you don't know how to spell, using one of those spellings will help. And even if you use the wrong one, a grown-up who's reading it will know what the word says. All right, how about balloon? Balloon, ooh. How about hood? That's the hood of a car. Hood. Good. I hope you're able to circle them. How about tower? Tower. Ow. Are you getting good at hearing these sounds? How about rooster? Rooster. Ooh. How about boil? Oi. And I see there's another red splotch, so that means you have to be on a new paper, so I'll give you a second in case you have to find the new paper. Boil. Oil. Good. All right, see if you can find number 20. Flower. Flower. Ow. How about cookie? Hook in the foot. How about oyster? Oyster. Oi. Good. Fix it if you needed to. Clown. Clown. Own. Clown. Good work. How about gauze? If you need a Band-Aid and your cut is too big for a Band-Aid, you can wrap it in gauze. G-aw. Clawing hawk. Aw. How about hoof? uh, uh. I see the red splotch. I should have given you a second to flip over and find the next page. We're on 25. All right, 26. Oh boy, strain your brain on this one. Cow, cow, brown cow. That's a hard one, isn't it? Did you have to strain your brain? How about lawn? On. On, lawn. Good. How about, oh brother, foot? That's a hard one. Strain your brain to figure that one out. Hook in the foot. Boy, why did I make that one so easy? How about saw? Saw. Sure. Your ears are getting good at hearing these sounds. Oil, oil. Remember, there's two kinds of oil. Oi. How about crown? Crown. Ow. Brown cow. Boy, I'm not getting good at looking at those splotches. You should be on a new page. I hope I didn't go too fast. Just catch up if we did. We're on 31. All right, 32, saucer. Sir. Clawing hawk. How about wood? Sure, hook in the foot. Shawl. It's kind of a girl word. It's a pretty shawl, isn't it? All. Next to the last one, scoop. Scoop. Ooh. And the last one, zoo. Remember when we went to the zoo? That's the snake part of the zoo. Good job. If you listen to this again and you don't have the paper, you can just call out what the sound is. Good listening, because we didn't do any reading. Those ducks say, thank you very much. See you later, alligator. Sleep and snore, dinosaur.